Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I thought I would do another kind of DIY spa treatment. If I can do it at home, I will. I do my hair extensions at home, I do my fake tan at home, I do my nails at home, I do my laser hair removal at home, I've done my balayage at home, and I've also permed my eyelashes at home. But I saw on Amazon, because I am obsessed with Amazon, I'm on there multiple times a day, that there is a brow lamination kit. I have heard every single person talk about brow lamination. I just want to try it. And I thought that if you do brow lamination and you want to start doing it at home, this might be helpful. So this is the state of my brows right now. I'm gonna get up close and personal. Sorry, I didn't want to put makeup on or anything. So this is the state of my brows right now. I don't really like when they stand straight up, you know. I feel like I look kind of crazy, but we'll see what we can do. Better? I did try this on my friend Nikki and it did not work for her. Are we doing both eyebrows or just one?
I feel like
You're looking at my nose hairs?
Mm-hmm.
That's a long 30 seconds. Did you even start it?
Yeah, I think it's up.
Nikki!
It was just a silent ending.
Nikki, now your eyebrows are glued.
No.
Ah, where did it go?
On my finger.
Wow, it smells like an elephant ass. Don't make me laugh. I'm putting eyebrow perm on you. If your eyebrow falls off, it's your own fault.
He loves his aunt.
I like.
Okay, this has been fun.
So my brows are pretty good, but my brows tend to do that, and I want them to stay like that. So this is the brow lamination kit I got. Like I said, I already tested it on Nikki and it didn't work, but she's very blonde eyebrows, and I just don't know if I did it right. So you get the eyebrow lift glue, the eyebrow nutrition, the eyebrow cleanser, fixation lotion, the eyebrow perming lotion, the plastic film, wide combs, and assistant tools. So you get all of that stuff in here. And then you get like a little instruction booklet, and it tells you exactly how to do it. I don't have Vaseline, so I'm using a lip treatment. But the first step is to put Vaseline all around your eyebrows so that it doesn't hurt your skin. I wonder if it's better on this side. Yeah, this is so much better. So these are the state of my eyebrows. So then the next step says, apply the eyebrow lift glue on the eyebrows, wait for 30 seconds, then comb it in one direction with the Y-shaped brush. This one doesn't smell bad, but one of them smells really bad. So I'm just gonna put this on. I hope this doesn't burn off my eyebrows. That would not be fun. So it looks like in the picture she has a lot of glue on. This is my bad eyebrow. Does everyone have a good eyebrow and a bad one? This is my really bad eyebrow. You guys can see right up my nose. I apologize. So we'll let that sit for 5 more seconds on this side, and then I'm just going to start combing it in the direction that I want my eyebrows to be. I do have a bald spot there. It's harder than it seems to get them in the perfect position. They look so thick. Is that what they're supposed to look like? I look evil. I look like I'm an evil villain. Okay, that can't be what they're supposed to look like. Let's fix that. I don't really want my eyebrows to stay like that. You know, I look evil. Okay, so this is what they look like. I think this is as good as they're gonna get. They give you plastic wrap here. It's all numbered. Here you can see on the number 2, it says number 2 eyebrow perming lotion. So I'm just going to take a good amount. This smells really bad. You know what it smells like? It smells like Nair, which is not a good thing because Nair is supposed to remove your hair, but it smells really bad. Oh, it's kind of burning. Kind of tingling. See, if I was doing this service for other people, I'd be so scared, even doing other people's hair, because I would be so scared that they wouldn't like it or would get permed in all different directions, or maybe their eyebrow would fall off. I feel like I have to trim my nose hairs, so if you see any, don't comment on it. I'm going today to get my second vaccine, and I'm so excited that is finally going to be done. So then I have my
What the heck are you doing?
I'm laminating my eyebrows.
Why?
I don't know, it's what everyone's doing though.
You look very pretty.
Thank you. He says I look pretty like this. He's such a liar. Okay, so I just have it on. I'm going to set a timer.
10 minutes, counting down.
And then I have to remove the eyebrow lift perm and apply the eyebrow fixation and then cover for another 10 to 12 minutes. But how do I remove the eyebrow lift perm? Okay, so this is the update now. This one looks actually pretty good. This one looks pretty good too. Okay, I'm gonna try not move my forehead. We'll see how it goes. I will be back here in 10 minutes. My eyebrows are still on my face. That's always a plus, but maybe I'll just use a clean one and like remove the excess. I'm going to take the eyebrow fixation now. Looking good. I mean, this eyebrow is looking like a caterpillar. And I'm going to put a good amount. I think that was the issue with Nikki. I just didn't put enough, so I'm gonna put a good amount on the eyebrow. The set was like $24. So if you get your eyebrows laminated, because I think you have to do it like once a month or once every 6 weeks, this is gonna be a game changer for you guys. Salons probably do it better, and I know every time I post a video like this, I get yelled at by people who perform these services. I'm not saying I'm doing everything the best, but some people, like me, prefer to do things at home. So I would much prefer to do this at home, if possible. And not everyone can afford to get their eyebrows laminated every month or however often. So this is a good option. It's been 10 minutes. It's not burning. It's not sizzling. My hair is still on my head, I think. And then I'm just going to remove this. And it says to remove the eyebrow fixation with a micro brush. What's a micro brush? I'm gonna just remove it with this. Going to just wipe it off. Cleanser. I don't know if this is the cleanser they were talking about, but this is the cleanser we're gonna use. So I'm gonna put that on, and then I'm going to take it off with a cotton pad. And then it says to apply the eyebrow nutrition. So I think this is like a brow oil or something. And then it says, wipe all the lotion with a micro brush gently and then use a dampened cotton with cold water to remove the residue. Mop the extra water near the eyebrow and eye area with a piece of tissue. Well, I will not be mopping my eye area. I'm just picturing myself with like a mop. I'm going to brush them out and we'll see. Ooh, guys. I don't think mine were that straight before. I look mad. Okay, I actually do think I see a difference. Like my eyebrows hairs are like really straight. Okay, obviously I would not leave the house like this, but if I, ooh, it's okay. Come on, let's flash back to the before. That's not what that eyebrow looked like. That actually works. Like that's not what my eyebrows looked like before, right? Like I'm not losing my mind. I think that once I do my makeup, I'm not supposed to get it wet for 24 hours, but I have to do my makeup today, so I'll check back in with you guys. But I think once I do my makeup and I have like my brow gel on, I look very scary. I look like I'm very mad at you guys, but I promise I'm not. I'm most impressed with this eyebrow. I think if you did this and then you like dyed your eyebrows, that would be really cool. I did that in a video once. Okay, so it's been a few minutes and I have to say I'm very impressed. Like I don't even feel like I really need to fill them in, maybe just the ends. So I will show you guys when I'm all looking a little bit better than this. Okay, I just finished getting ready. I did my makeup really fast, so we're just gonna excuse the makeup that's going on. But if I get up close, this is what the eyebrows look like. I have to say it was easier doing them, and even my boyfriend noticed that when I had no makeup on, my brows look like more defined and fuller. So I'm a big fan of them. Like I did not have to like fully draw on my eyebrows. I kind of just added some hairs like in the front and define the tail to make it longer. But overall, I have to say I am very impressed with this system, and I will continue to do it. I think what I'm going to continue to do is the front part. I don't know if I'm going to continue to do the tail because I just don't think it really did anything. I think the issue the first time with why it didn't work with Nikki's because I just didn't put enough product on it. I hope you enjoyed this like little fun fast video on how I laminated my brows at home. I will leave it linked down below. Leave a comment down below letting me know if you get your brows laminated, if the steps kind of looked similar, if the results were similar, if you're going to be trying it. I want to hear from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every single week. I love you guys, and I will see you guys back here next time.